If you want to make your Figma designs more flexible and easier to reuse, learning how to create a variant is a great skill to have. Variants are perfect when you want different versions of the same component, like buttons in different states, toggles, icons, or card styles. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a variant in Figma step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn one component into multiple variations. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and go into the design area where your elements are located. Before you can create a variant, you need to select the design parts that you want to turn into a reusable component. So, click and drag to select everything you need. This could be a button shape, text, icon, or any group set of elements that belong together. Make sure you select the full design exactly how you want it to be reused later, because this selection will become your main component. Once everything is selected, right-click on the selection. From the menu that appears, choose Create Component. This is the step that converts your selected design into a component, which is the base you need before adding variants. After you do that, Figma will mark it as a component and you'll be able to manage it more efficiently in your file. Now look at the right panel in Figma, you'll see the component properties there, and this is where the variant option comes in. Click the Add Variant icon, which looks like a plus symbol inside a diamond. This is the button that tells Figma you want to create another variation of the same component set. When you click it, Figma will automatically generate a new variant for you. Your new variant will appear below the original component. From here, you can edit the new version however you want. For example, you can change the color, text, shape, size, or icon to create a different state or style. This is really useful when you want all your variations to stay connected while still looking different. That way, you can keep your design system organized and consistent. And that's it. You've now created a variant in Figma. Just remember the simple process. Select your elements, create a component, then use the Add Variant icon in the right panel to generate a new version. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the fastest ways to build scalable design systems in Figma. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Figma tips, UI design tutorials, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.